We're going to look at trapezium area. First of all, what is a trapezium? Well, a trapezium has one pair of parallel sides and it has two sides that are not. It doesn't have to be though, but I mean, just basically you're looking for one pair of parallel sides. The second one here, if you have a look at it closely, there's a pair of parallel sides. This one happens to be at right angles to the bottom, and this one here is sloping. And if you look at the one that is green, it has got two parallel lines pointing upwards. And often they are drawn with arrows on them to show that they're parallel. Right, we've given this formula here, and it says that the trapezium area is a half times by a plus b times by h. Remember, in between here are times, and in between the bracket and the h is a times as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down a for area, okay, and then I'm just going to write the formula, except I'm going to write the times in there, because we're going to use our calculator. The A is and the B are the two parallel sides. It doesn't matter which way you label them. So I'm going to label the top one A and the bottom one B. And H stands for the height. So the height in this case is 4. So we're just going to put them into the formula. So we're going to go a half times and open the bracket. We're not going to do any calculations, just going to put everything in. At this point, you can type this immediately into your calculator. Okay, so that's going to be 24, and this is area, so it's centimeters square. We didn't do any rounding, so just 24 centimeters square. Type that into your calculator. Okay, let's go and do the second one. This is a trapezium. It has two parallel sides. This is A, and this one is B. Doesn't matter which way you label them. The height is the distance in between the parallel lines, but in this case, we can use the 8 that happens to be on the outside. It just happens to be perpendicular to the base, so we can make this one here your h. Okay, we have everything that we need, so the area equals, and I'm going to write the formula out, half times by a plus b times h, and then I'm going to put the numbers in my second line. So A in this case is 9, B is 10, and H is 8. We're going to put that through my calculator, which I'm going to do right now. And we're going to times that by 8, and that comes out to be 76. So that is 76 centimeters square. Right, we'll do the last one. This one here is a trapezium, but it's sort of tipped up on its side. The parallel side is here, A, and we'll make this one B. And what we notice is that the length or the height is the distance in between the parallel sides. So this is actually H. If you imagine taking this shape and just doing a turn it around, you'll find that you'll be able to see it the right way up. Okay, A equals a half times A plus B. Write the formula out, and then stick the numbers in. Okay, A is 2.5, definitely going to have to use my calculator, plus 3.3, close your brackets, times by 2. And I'm going to type that into my calculator just as it looks. 2.5 plus 3.3, close the bracket, times by 2, and just going to get 5.8. So that's equal to 5.8, and it's in millimeters this time, and it's area, so millimeters square. That's how you do trapezium area.